Hey guys, it's me, Princess Little 9. Welcome to another video. Yeah. It didn't go so well. Oh my god, I can't type. So yeah, welcome to another video. Yeah, this is basically all that I can really think of to say. Yeah, I'm just gonna, well, basically I'm just gonna go around in people's dens and just show you guys some cool things. Before I do, I actually want to show you something. I'm dying right now. Look! It's CherryFizz44. She is my idol. I love her. Oh my god, what are you doing? Are you serious? But oh my god, guys, I am just so excited. Hang on, I'll be back when I'm there. Oh my god, she's here! Oh my god. 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 I'm recording, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, I better go. I can't say it. Oh my god, forget. Guys, I think I'm actually gonna faint. I made it. I made my idol. What is going on? Sorry, excuse people. So she's here. She came to my den, somebody would have to kill me. Because I would totally die. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, I just made CherryFizz. Okay, oh my god, deep tree. Okay, I'm gonna go. See you guys. Guys, I am freaking out right now. I just meet her. I have to tell him. Is she here? I hope she is. I really hope she's here. Excuse me. I just can't believe that. I really just made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, really good. I tried recording earlier, it didn't really work out. So yeah, this is my one of my good friends. Hello, JGJG. I still can't say that right. Here's a shout out to her. So yeah, she's really cool. You should check her out. Yeah. Sorry, I don't really know. Oh, go away. I don't really know what to say. I'll do the Dean video. Hang on, I can't talk while I type. So yeah. It's gonna be there. It's getting in the way, oh no. No, I don't want to. I'm good at this stuff, guys. Okay. She says bye. Bye, guys.